know rainforests are the lungs of our planet? They house over half of Earth's wildlife and give us 20% of our oxygen. Plus, they fight climate change by sucking up CO2. Every year, we lose 10 million hectares to deforestation. That's like losing 27 soccer fields every minute. Here are the top 3 rainforests in the world, based on size, biodiversity, and ecological importance. 1. Amazon rainforest. Location: mainly in Brazil, but also in Peru, Colombia, and other South American countries. Size: 5.5 million square kilometers. 2. Congo rainforest. Location: Central Africa, mainly in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Size: 1.8 million square kilometers. 3. New Guinea rainforest. Location: Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. Size: 288,000 square kilometers. This World Rainforest Day, join the fight. Plant trees, support sustainable products, and spread the word. Let's protect our rainforests. Our future depends on it.